Hey guys, it's Julian over at Bloomington Acura. Just wanted to shoot you a quick video and show you we got the all-new Integras in. This is the 2026 model. One thing I want to show you real quick, right in the front, we have a new update. One thing to point out about the grille is that it does match the color of the vehicle, which we have some all-new colors with the double apex blue. With that grille, looks really clean. I wish I had one here to show you guys, but I do have the black one right here. If we come over to the side, Acura decided to put the all black, so these are 18-inch black wheels on the Integra, and you can see here on the side, they decided to put on a body kit, so now it has a side skirt. Now let's open it up and take a look inside. First thing you'll notice, instead of the red stitching, this year they decided to go with the gold stitching on the interior. Different seat design as well. As you can see, if you're familiar with the Integra, a lot less suede in the seat, but it does still have that signature suede in there. A couple other things to point out. This used to be a lot darker, had some more texture to it. It's now a little bit brighter. It's got this nice smooth finish to it. Also to note, all trim levels get the wireless charger, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a big screen just like you would in the regular Integra with the A-Spec technology package. Just for comparison, we're going to show you this one here. This is a 25 model, so you can see the front lip. Moving over to the wheels, these are sharp gray. No side skirt on this one. All right, guys, hopping inside, you can see here, this is a much smaller screen. Does not have the wireless charger. And then here's that trim. You can see it's a lot darker and it's more textured on this 25 model than it was on the 26. I hope you guys like these quick updates on the 2026 Integra. If you're looking for a new car or have any questions, give me a call, Julian, over at Bloomington Acura.